You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like.
All right, please take out your math books, open it up to page 259. Goes like this. Okay. There is nothing on here that you haven't seen before. As we're getting down to the end of the year, there's going to be very, very little new stuff. Okay, most of it's going to be stuff you've seen before. So, let's just take a look at this. Get your Regulus. Measure these lines. This one in centimeters. This one in inches. Tell me how long those lines are. Okay. Then you have over here, it says leap year, año bisiste, has how many days? ¿Cuántos días? 1 day, un día, has how many hours? ¿Cuántas horas? 1 hour, una hora, has how many minutes? ¿Cuántos minutos? And 1 minute, un minuto, has how many seconds? ¿Cuántos segundos? Go ahead and do those. Next, you have your Roman numerals, numerals romanos. Remember that C is 100, L is 50, X is 10, and N is 1,000. Okay, go ahead and match these up. Next, you have your tablas, and if you've been doing your cards, you should know these without any trouble at all. Okay? Although, because some people are still having trouble with this one here, with questions like this. 9 times 0, 9 por 0. Any number times 0 is 0. Todos los números por 0 son 0. 1 por 0 son 0. 9 por 0 son 0. 1500 por 0 son 0. Any number times 0 is 0. Okay? So go ahead and do these. Next, you have some restas. Do those for me, please. Then you have some shapes, some lados. Go ahead and draw some lines, some líneas. So this one is in halves, in medias, and this one is in fourths, in cuartos. Go ahead. And then lastly, you have a question. I'm not going to read it for you because it's right here. 30 divided by 5. 30 entre 5. Son qué? You've been doing your flashcards, your tarjetas. You already know this. So I hope you've been doing them. All right, on the back, this may look a little bit confusing, but just play with me here. They want you to take as much money as this is and make $7.43. Necesitas $7.43. So here, what we're doing is, how many of these do you need to make $7.43? Well, right down here is the number of these you'll need. So we start with $5. How many of these do you need to make $5? 1, right? So it's 1. Then we go up to $7. You have a $5 here, so how many of these do you need to make $7? 2, right? You have a 5 here and 2 ones, that makes $7. Then how much to make $7.25? How many quarters to make $7.25? How many dimes to make $7.35? How many nickels to make $7.40? And how many pennies to make $7.43? You got that? Okay, so how many, got that, all right? Go ahead, tell me how many of these that you need. Next, I'm going to read something out to you, and I want you to listen carefully. You can do the work here, or put your answer here. Escribe los números aquí, escribe su respuesta aquí. So here we go. In the park, where this person is, they can go for rides on these horses. This person took 9 riders on Tuesday, 5 on Wednesday, and 4 on Thursday. So how many riders did he have? Or in other words, 9 plus 5 plus 4. 9 más 5 más 4 son ¿qué? La respuesta aquí. Okay? Go ahead. Next, here's some questions. 1 yard is how many feet? Un yarda son cuántos pies? 1 yard is how many inches? Una yarda son cuántos pulgares? 1 meter is how many centimeters? Un metro son cuántos centímetros? And 1 foot is how many inches? Un pie son cuántos pulgares? Your answer's right there. Next, you have some Roman numerals. I think everybody knows how to do these by now, because I haven't been seeing any bad answers on tests or anything like that, so you're doing good. Go ahead and do these. And then finally, you have some tablas. Go ahead and do those. And then when you're done with them, then you're all done for your math for the day. You can go on to your English.